So hello ma'am, this is our laboratory exercise 1 in midterm. So this video is all about installing and configuring DNS on Windows 2008 server. So the first part, DNS server installation. To install a DNS server from control panel, follow the following steps. From start menu, select administrative tools and go to server manager. Just click it, the server manager. Then expand the click roles from left window. Then you will see add roles, just choose it. Then follow the wizard by selecting DNS server role. Then click DNS server role. Then proceed to next. Click next and then install DNS Windows Server 2008. To confirm installation selections, just click install. Then we will proceed to installation results. Just close. When installation succeeded, close it. Just click the close. The part 2 of the DNS server configuration. So from the start menu, select administrative tools, then DNS to open the DNS console. Just go to administrative tools, just click DNS. Then highlight your computer name and choose configure a DNS server to launch the configure DNS server wizard. Next, configure a DNS server in DNS manager. Then click next and select first option. Create a forward lookup zone. Then configure a DNS wizard. Select configuration action. You can choose the lookup zone types that are appropriate to your network size. Advanced administrators can configure root hints. Then we will go into select the create a forward lookup zone. That is recommended to small networks only. This server is an authoritative for the DNS names of local resources, but forwards all other queries to an ISP or other DNS server. The wizard will configure the root hints but not create a reverse lookup zone. Then let us proceed. Just click next. On the next screen, leave the default option selected. The server maintains the zone and click next. Now you will need to enter the domain name that you want to create your first zone file. We are using example.com in this tutorial or in this video. New zone wizard. The zone name is example.com. Then just click next. Then it will appear, do you want to create new zone file or use an existing file that you have copied from another DNS server? Just click the create a new file with this file name example.com DNS. Then click next. After it will appear dynamic update. You can specify that this DNS zone accepts secure and unsecure or no dynamic updates. Just click the do not allow dynamic updates, then proceed to next. On the forwarders screen, select the option no, it should not forward queries. Then click next. And it is finished. Part 3 of managing DNS records. There are many types of DNS records. This is a basic tutorial and will show you how to point your domain name to the IP address you assign to your website via an A record. You can also create other types of DNS. Example of MX, CNAME, etc. in a similar fashion. In a DNS manager, expand your server name, then expand the forward lookup zones. Right-click on your domain name and select Properties. Then, click Start of Authority SOA tab. The SOA resource record is always the first record in a DNS zone. Set the primary server to your primary name server. Then the serial number 1, then the primary server ns1.yourdomain.com will. Then next, click on Name Servers tab. Remove anything currently listed and click Add and enter your name servers. ns1.yourdomain.com and ns2.yourdomain.com. After it, just type the ns1.yourdomain.com in new server name record. Then resolve. When done, click OK to close the window. You are now ready to set up your zone records. Right-click on your domain name under Forward Lookup Zones and select New Host A or AAAAA. Then, leave the name field blank and under IP address, enter the IP address you configure for this website in IIS and click Add Host. Our IP address is 216.167.123.123. Then add host. You will most likely also want to make a record for www, so repeat the above step, but this time, instead of leaving the name field blank, enter www in that field. Then just click Add Host. Part 4 of disabling or disable DNS recursion. The final step I want to perform is to disable DNS recursion. This will help secure your server from a variety of DNS recursion attacks. To disable recursion, right-click on your DNS server and go to Properties. Click the Advanced tab, then click the box labeled Disable Recursion. Then in Server Options, Disable Recursion, just click it. Enable Round Robin, click. Enable Net Mass Ordering, click, and click Secure Cache Against Pollution. Then, this is the final part, or this is the end of disabling recursion. Finish. Congratulations, you have now set up DNS in Windows Server 2008 and have set up DNS records for your domain name.